If you sell on Amazon, I want to invite you to join my free 8-week Amazon PPC Masterclass. Go ahead and click the Learn More button down below to sign up and get started right away. I'm Dr. Travis Ziegler, and along with my wife, Dr. Jenna Ziegler, we've built a multi-million-dollar e-commerce company on Amazon, and I'm going to show you the exact steps we did to do that with Amazon PPC in our free Amazon 8-week PPC Masterclass. So why am I giving something so valuable away for free? I give this away for free because I want to help other people achieve the financial abundance that we've been able to do with our Amazon business. Plus, I know that you might need help transforming your business in your Amazon PPC. And if you do need help, I can help you out in two ways. Number one is I can help coach around this Amazon PPC system that we teach for free. Again, click that Learn More button. And then number two, we have a small agency that we help a handful of clients with their Amazon PPC. And we can always hop on a call and see if that's a great fit for you. And so we don't accept everybody in the agency, and I don't accept everybody for coaching. So if you don't use us, or you decide not to coach, or if you decide not to use our agency, it's not a big deal. I hope that you get a lot of value from the 8-week Amazon PPC Masterclass. So go ahead and click the Learn More button down below to get started with our free course today.